Kindness and forgiveness as taught by the Prophet. Over 1400 years ago, before the time of Prophet, the people of Arabia were ignorant. They used to live in fear of everyone around them. They used to worship idols and even used to bury their newborn daughters alive. As Islam began to spread amongst the Arabs, these cruel practices stopped. Islam taught love and kindness. It taught peace and respect. And Prophet Mohammed was the greatest example of the teachings. He used to treat everyone with love. It didn't matter how old you were, what gender you were, what religion you followed, or what you looked like. The Prophet started heavily influencing the Arabs as they started to see this new way of living and realized how much better it was for them. As a result, some of the powerful Arabs at the time started getting angry. They were losing power as no one was listening to them anymore. Everyone wanted to listen to Prophet Muhammad. These powerful Arabs disliked Prophet Muhammad and even wanted to kill him. Every time they tried to kill him, they failed, which angered them even more. They then began to harass the Prophet in every way they knew how. One old woman used to throw garbage on the Prophet every time he walked by her house. He would walk past her house every day to get to the mosque. On the way, he would get rubbish thrown on him and carry on walking without showing any signs of anger or annoyedness. This would happen every single day. One day, the Prophet was walking to the mosque and no one threw garbage on him. He went to the mosque, finished his prayers, and then went to the woman's house who used to throw trash on him. He asked her neighbors where she was and found out that she was sick. He politely asked permission to visit the woman. And once he entered the house and the woman saw him, she became scared. She thought the Prophet was there to take his revenge when she was unable to defend herself because she was sick in bed. The Prophet assured her, "I am not here to take revenge. I am here to look after you and see if you need anything. It is the command of Allah that when anyone is sick, a Muslim should visit them and see if they are in need of anything." The old woman was moved by the Prophet's kindness and love. By this great example, she understood that greatness of Prophet and of the religion of Islam. She then accepted Islam and became a Muslim. This is another great story of how important it is to act kindly towards others, even if they are mean to you. We are taught to repel evil and kindness. Another important lesson we learn is being nice to those who are unable or sick. We must care for them when they are unable to care for themselves.